Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Let's learn the alphabet with colors. Purple color, pink color, orange color, green color, blue color. K for kangaroo. E for egg. Q for queen. Z for zebra. I for ice cream. M for mango. D for dog. X for xylophone. G for goat. T for tiger. W for watermelon. R for rabbit. L for lobster. P for pumpkin. S for sunflower. B for balloon. O for orange. Y for yo-yo. H for hand. C for cow. V for volcano. U for unicorn. A for alligator. J for juice. N for nose. And F for fish. Okay friends, let's have a look to our colors. K, E, Q, Z, I, M, D, X, G, T, W, R, L, P, S, V, O, Y, H, C, V, U, A, J, and F. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.